What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We do walk-arounds and test drives of all of our classic cars. Check us out, maplemotors.com. Also have financing and shipping information available on that website. Today we're going to be going down the road in this 1968 Mustang, believed to be 302. Decent looking car. We're going to take it down the road. Any flaws that I see, I will point out. You'll know everything about this car before you make the trip down here. Like I said, we're in Hendersonville, Tennessee. We do this for every car on the lot. If you're new to the page, hit subscribe. It's that time, guys. Let's go for a test drive. We're gonna take a look around the interior of the car before we take off. Door panel's in good shape. We're gonna be checking the horn, the wipers, the radio, the blower motor. Kind of seeing what all works. Up here at Maple Motors, most of the horns do not work in most of these cars, so I guess it's just the age, and some people put aftermarket steering wheels and they don't connect it back up. We do a little game here. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works or not? Let's try it. Oh yeah, hold up. It does. It works good. We'll go ahead and start this one up. Starts up pretty good. Like I said, I believe to be 302. We'll go ahead and look at the miles. It's right there at 99,000. Could be original. I can't stand behind it because of the year of the car. Let's try the wipers. They do work here. Let's see the blower motor. I can feel something blowing on my legs. It's not very strong. No AC on this car. Turn the radio on. I hear it making noises, but it's not, we're not really playing any music here. Definitely gonna stop at the gas station. It's showing right on E here. I don't want to run out. We'll watch our temperature gauge. We haven't been running long enough to see if it's warm yet, so. Well, oil pressure's about halfway, but it's not really moving either. So let's take off. Little roll down window's kind of stiff up top, but as you get going, it smooths out. Like I said, I'm gonna go over everything on this car. If I see something wrong, trying to find the other seat belt here. It was right behind the seat. So we do have seat belts. For a second there, I was going to count them out. On most of these test drives, pretty much every one of them, this would be the first time I've ever driven this car. I've seen it around the lot, but once I get my hands on them, I go over them with y'all. Our speedometer's starting to come up. Steering feels nice and smooth. Our temperature gauge is coming up on the dash here. It is working. Slightly pulling to the right. You see me kind of pulling off the road here? That's not the road either, because it's gonna, we'll let go of the wheel again. See, I'm slightly pulling over. It takes a while. It's actually nice and sensitive. Not any slack in the steering wheel. Go ahead and get on the brakes here before we get too close to people. The brakes feel good. They're stopping fast. Come on out. Kickdown's hooked up on this one. That's a passing gear where it'll shift down. Looks like our speedometer is pretty accurate. I'm definitely stopping at the gas station because it looks like all of these gauges work. Just double checking the brakes. They feel awesome. Got a lot of pedal there. Gonna pull into the shell here. throw about $20 of premium fuel in this car. We do that on a lot of them, especially when the gas gauges are all the way down. No sense in running out or running them low. Just keep fuel off in them. Tell you what, that heat's coming in. I didn't ever cut that blower motor off. I just slid about $20 worth of premium fuel in this car. We're gonna check to see if the gas gauge works. Gotta get my receipt. And we'll take off here. All right. So the gas gauge is below E right now. Let's turn the car on. It does work. So it looks like all of our gauges work on this one. Let's keep them rolling. Go ahead and stick y'all up in the dash here. Get you in the driver's seat. All the gauges are seeming like they're doing pretty good. I mean, the car's not overheating. It's on the cool side. Oil pressure's still up over here. Alternator's where it needs to be. And we've been cruising this parking lot, circling around for a little while, getting all these shots, so. Just so happens there is a lot of traffic right now on this back road. I wanted some open space here, but every 50 foot there's another car passing. Well, all right. Trying to get good space. Everybody's out now. Car is good so far. Everything's checking out. Brakes feel good. Steering's nice and tight. Throttle's accelerating perfectly fine. Kick down's hooked up. Hit this road here. There's a big old speed bump in the middle of it. And we'll kind of check the suspension on this car. nice and smooth. We're heading on back to the lot now. Kind of cruise down Main Street here a little bit. And I want to do a walk around video on the outside of this car, looking for chips, scratches, any kind of rust spots, anything that I can find. We'll do some interior shots, pop the trunk, pop the hood, and get some undercarriage shots. And that'll be in a separate video from this test drive. So be sure to watch both if you're interested, because then you get a full spectrum of the car, not just the test drive. Kind of cruise by the lot here, run up through Brian's. He was putting together some wheels and tires for us earlier for some new cars that came in. We got a good update for next week. Cruising up through Brian's parking lot. He's got a lot of old school stuff he works on every single day. I love that car of his. It's awesome. Got some old trucks up here. They're all customized. So check it out. It's briansmotorsports.com. It says .net on his sign. Looks like you got an old Camaro. Old Chevy truck here. He builds off-road Jeeps. He's always got stuff in his bay. Always just cruise through here, kind of showing you some more of the team we got out here. And he's got it going on for sure. That's Brian's Motorsports. Check that out. Gonna head on back to the lot. I'll give you a view around there. Even our local meet and threes got the classics. Everybody's into them in this town. We're getting ready to start this walk around video, pointing out all the flaws. Be sure to check for it. I'll tag it at the end of this one so that you can easily access it. If you do have any other questions, jump on MapleMotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing information, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories can all be seen there. I do appreciate y'all watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You can see every video that I post if you subscribe and hit that little bell. This is Maple Motors, if y'all haven't seen it before. So check us out, guys. Appreciate y'all watching.